Okay, I'm going to show you these handles. These are the newer ones, and we're going to show you how to take the tip off and put the holes in it. And also we can do the same thing with the older handles like this, and put the disc on them as well. So here you put this in the vise, and first off what you do is get the disc and you center punch it so you can drill a hole like this. I've already done one just here. So you get the drill and then drill the hole, same size as the wagtail bolt, obviously. And now we put the disc in the groove there, just line it up, and you get a Sharpie or a marking pen, pencil, whatever, and you just mark around it like this. So once it's marked, you get a saw. We got a hacksaw, seems to cut it okay. And now we've got a wood rasp, and we found that seems to file it down very easily and quickly to get the main material off. So now what we'll do is turn around, and here when you close out, that'll get in the road of your squeegee when you're closing out. So what we've done is file it down like this. This rasp is a half circle one also, so we have the half circle, and that's how it'll file. And taking particular notice that we're doing it right on the edge, so we won't have that problem with closing out. Just here, hand it off. So I've got some sandpaper. Actually it's a belt off my sanding belt. It's a very rough one, but it's good to finish it off, to file it or sand it down nicely. And as you can see, that's how it should look. So now you can see we've got the disc on the older handle, and you can see we've put a slot in the front there, so the disc sits in there where the notch is. And well, I suppose that's about it.